Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel MathTech. So today I am representing a new project of Arduino Uno based CubeSat flight computer and telemetry system. This project is completely designed using the Arduino Uno and sensor modules. This is the representation of that how you can use your embedded C inside the Arduino Uno, and what is the complete workflow of the project, how you can design, what is the pin configuration. I will be describe you entire things in this series. You can see this project was designed by me. My name is Shivam Singh. I am the founder of MadTech. You can see that why CubeSats and why now. And now accessibility gap. Traditional satellite platform cost millions CubeSats. This is just a college project. You can demonstrate inside your hackathons that how you can design your telemetry system, how you can design your own own satellites, how they are programmed. When you will go inside the actual area, then you will find out such kind of things. You can see this is the complete overview of my project, where we will use a core computer as a Arduino Uno, real-time monitoring data, GPS tracking, and ground control system, and data logging, and power monitoring, and wireless telemetry system which will deliver our sensors data, everything using the telemetry RF link. You can see this is the output control. This is an overview over all architecture of these satellites. Here you can see that we will using the core sensors MPU 6050, BMP pressure sensor, GPS Neo, and for controlling these sensors we will use the flight controller as an Arduino Uno. And the next slide was I will describe that what kind of hardware we will need. Here the hardware was Arduino Uno, a flight core computer, MPU 6050, 6-axis control altitude sensing system, and BMP barometric pressure and altitude. It will be show us that what is the current altitude and what is the current pressure of this particular things, and use the GPS module which will told us that which will provide the latitude and longitude of the particular system, using the voltage and current monitoring system, and use the NRF24L01. This is a 2.4 gigahertz telemetry link system which is used to deliver the transmit our data from the satellite. And on board we can use this here you can see the SD card using for data logger. As I mentioned that this is my GitHub repository where I will completely describe our uploaded our project and the firmware. You can see inside the assets, you can see that circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram of my project. This is the complete circuit diagram of my project. You can see that we will use the GPS Neo module, NRF24L0, SD card. They are connected with the SPI, and the things, the sensors which is used here, you can see that MPU, BMP, and magnetometer, power monitor, and in embedded LCD display, OLED display, sorry, which is show you the entire thing that what kind of completely data and what kind of pressure, what is the latitude and what is the longitude of particular things. And this is the power relay system. You can see that we will use the 6 voltage to watt power system and using the battery charger system. And here this is the main hub of the power distribution line, where because our Arduino was driven over the 5 voltage power supply, so we'll use the buck converter for better safety. You can see that this is the complete circuit diagram of the project. And the next thing which I show to you, this is the workflow. That's how our project was work. The MPU 6050 mid acceleration, yeah, gyro, and BMP. This is the sensing. You can see that this is the complete the input area of the sensors that BMP 280, GPS Neo, they are used to send their data to the Arduino, and Arduino will process them and send them data through an RF module, and we will receive their data using the ground station. You can see that's the complete workflow of the power system. Here you can see that the complete power monitoring system and sensor acquisitions and data processing, and SD card was used to completely see the data after we will monitor our satellite or imagery from everywhere. You can see that's just here came. And as I told you, as I mentioned in my PPT, you can see that's the what you can see. First you will initialize the system, acquire data, store and transmit. You can store inside the SD card, and uh, to complete processing over. This is a telemetry communication system where we are using the NRF24L01 RF link. This is the powerful data sender and data receiver module. This is one of the best use case of that particular module inside this project. And you can see that this is the power distribution system where I earlier mentioned inside my schematic diagrams that you can use solar panel and charger, Leon battery and buck converter to design our power rail systems. And this is the ground control system where you will find out the entire thing of the particular satellite of the things. And this is a testing roadmap, validate your data, and you how you can feature, you can enhance with the LoRa module, which is the most powerful than NRF module. And this is the complete project's overview of this flight computer. Here the entire firmware, you can see the entire source code was there, each and every folder. This is the communication NRF24. This is a complete things of the source code of this particular program. You can come and check it. And this is the entire overview of this project, what you will learn inside there. This is the overflow of my project, and the hardware required I will mention inside the readme.md file. And you will come here, you can check it, and you will find out this project and design on your, and you will be find out any kind of problem, you will comment to me, I will solve your problem to as much as possible. So this is the entire thing, entire project of that. You can come on my profile. Here you can see this is my profile, and you will find out the projects which I has developed. So thank you for today.